Gafana, I don't define you since. I don't go look for you since for inside lab. They say you know the inside there.
Danjuma.
Gafana, no be how they talk to. I don't go lab, bros. The way I carry find you inside lab, they say you know the inside. Now here you come sit down. Waiting they happen, bros. Forget that one, sir. Now Independence Day. I don't arrange my green and white, bros. We they go Eagle Square, go celebrate Nigeria at 64.
You be mumu.
No be how they talk to. We supposed to go over turn off for Nigeria, bros.
Continue.
Independence, Nigeria 64. We supposed to celebrate our nations, patriotic citizens.
Ha.
Bros, I will give it 2,000 for the 2K. I don't.
You see?
My good at my find something to do.
I don't understand. You want chop with 2K. As I dey talk to you now, bros. Since yesterday. Nothing don't enter my mouth. Now so water I just dey drink.
Guy, you no get 2K where I go use chop. Now you dey say Eagle Square. Eagle Square go do it for this guy. I beg, no let me vex for you.
This evening you will die.
Even at that.
Guy, keep quiet. The president kill you.
See, we are citizens of Nigeria, and I saw you have to be patriotic. Do you understand?
Patriotic man go kill you. They hungry, they patriotic. Turn that fire.
We can manage our hunger.
Can you imagine? Wait. Now batting to wish Nigeria happy independence again.
That's what I do for you. We must learn a lesson.
Me say we go find food chop. Nigeria don't chop, they don't reach 64 years. If I no chop now, who know what I feel even reach that 64 years when Nigeria reach.
See ya.